Before we start this video has an important several content stuff in it. That's why I'm going to boil out doing the video. So yeah, we are starting this video in 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Jackson Mo production video. It's officially starting now. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, this is Jackson Mo here, and we are so sorry for hurt us in this point. I could hurt us all of a sudden. As this upload it is in YouTube is what we did in my life in 2023. And yeah, these 3 videos are 3 different modern 1 and 60 inches of talking. So yeah, we all apologized. But today we're gonna start by XP17. Last time recording does not go as planned, but this time it did go as planned. It has a quit ISO at this point. It's a Black XP ISO 17. Black XP 17. You do notice there's a lot of features, a lot of modification in this ISO, so you'll see a lot of changes in this modified ISO. And an updated off camera of the virtual machine, so he's updating, so I can go for it. You guys see how he is. Same will setup screen and morning files. It's a startup Windows. Okay, there it is. 21 gigabytes versus 2 to 19 megabytes. It is formatting. And here, let's see some modifications. What is second that? Why is copying? A lot wallpapers, a lot of stuff. Oh my god. Okay, we start right now. Oh my goodness. Oh! Whoa! It's different color from the startup screen. Wow! 25! Oh my goodness! I can't believe you quit on yourself for me! Oh my gosh! Wow! What a save for me! But anyways, we are time-lapsing now of an installation. So yeah. What? There's error. There goes this shutdown sound window XP. And there's gonna be a third restart for it, or fourth restart somehow. But yeah. There was a Windows Vista boss one at a time. There was screen for stop and shutdown. Screen. And come on. Come on, get into the desktop. Oh, there we go. Use here to put on settings. Oh, oh. Wow! This is incredible, guys! Look at that! The original almost cannot support these, but yeah. Look at this. This is really modified compare. You do almost a Firefox version. But look at the wallpapers. But first, we go with themes. There's my theme, Windows XP, my favorite theme, Visual 3G Blue, and Windows Classic. But look at that. Look at the desktop. So many wallpapers! Oh my god! To go screensaver. Oh! Wait a second. What? So up for is the wallpaper. Same above for some reason. Like wait. And semi source for that. There were the Windows buttons, and there was a color scheme and a font size. Wow, that's incredible. And thanks so much for watching. This is Jackson Moore, and see you next video. Bye now. Hi everybody. Thank you so much for watching Jackson Moore production video. You will see it the first time. Please subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss no other videos. Also please like, comment, and share it for my friends and my videos. Also I have a second channel, which is Jackson Moore II. You learn about Oops, multi-rendering, clips, deleted videos, and original uploaded videos, and unused content. Thank you so much for support of my channel.